Hello guys, welcome back to the daily forex. So guys, in this video I'm going to give you a very powerful strategy on how you can trade crash 1000 indices. Okay, this strategy is a very good strategy and you will like it. Okay, so now guys, the indicators we're going to be using, just three indicators for this strategy. Okay, we're going to be using the average true range, relative strength index, and market facilitation index. Okay, and your average true range, the period is going to be on period 14 and the levels going to be on two levels. The color, you set it to blue and you choose on 1 pixel. Okay, then the time frame, you set to all time frame, and the style, you set it to 1 pixel, and the color, you use red. Okay, you use red or you use brown, just as you see right here. Okay, as you can see, then the relative strength index, you use 14, period 14, you apply to close. Okay, you apply to close. Then the levels, you put on levels. The first level is going to be 30, the second level is going to be 70. Okay, then you choose on the style 1 pixel. The color of the style is going to be blue. Okay, but you can choose any color of your choice. Okay, but as you can see, I'm using blue on my color right now. Okay, then after that, you click on done. Okay, then you choose on the market facilitation index. All right, then you leave it to default right here. As you can see, the volume is going to be thick. Choose on thick, not real, on the volume. Then the levels, you leave the levels, then put on all time frame. Then the style, yes, the style, put on 4 pixel each style. Okay, then the volume down is going to be black, the color is going to be black, and the volume up is going to be green. Then the volume down again is going to be black. Okay, as you can see, and you choose on 4 pixel. Okay, 4 pixel guys, 4 pixel on the color, right? And the volume up again is going to be green, right? Then you click on done. So now let's go. Now you see, the first thing I want you to notice right here is this black line, which is the market facilitation index. Look at it guys. You set your lot size to 4. Okay, 0.4 right here, as you can see, 0.4. You set your lot size to 0.4 guys. Okay, you see this black line. Whenever you see this line right here, you see right here there's a black line, you see there's another black line. Whenever you see this black line going up, you notice that this is going to spike. It must spike. Now look at this, and also this blue line. Once this blue line crosses this red line, it's a spike. And when this black line goes up above this blue line, it's gonna spike. As you can see, it's gonna spike, right? You can see right here. And also right here, you see right here there's a spike. You see right here, this black line right here, there's a spike. And you see this blue line, when it crosses the red line, when the blue line goes down and the red line goes up, when it crosses each other between these X points, you see there is a spike, right? There's a spike. Now when trading on crash 1000 index, once you see this red line right here, when it's moving, right, when it's moving, you buy, right? You buy. You see, once it initiated a green candle, when initiated a green candle, please, when trading, right, do not take your eyes off the screen guys, because any moment it might crash, right? So you notice this blue line. Okay, so when it's going straight, you are safe, right? When it curves down, then it's still going well in your favor, right? Then it goes down straight. But when the line is about to curve up, you know that it's about to spike. Okay, it's about to spike. So let's say you buy at this point, right? You buy at this point, and you notice the line is going straight forward. But whenever you notice the line that it spikes up, you close the trade. Okay, you take your profit and you close the trade, and you wait Okay, you wait after 2 candles, guys. After 2 candles, you wait after 2 candles, then you buy. You wait after 2 candles, then you buy. Then you follow the same strategy. You see, when the line curves down, when it curves down, it's still going well, right? You see having profits. When you see it curves down, you see getting some profit right here. It's straight right here, you see getting some profit. As you can see, it curves down again and it keeps going. Then this point, this downtrend, guys, this down point, you have to take note of this place in particularly. When trading, don't just leave your trade or you say, okay, it's a downtrend, right? It's a downtrend and it's going straight. At this very point, this place is not a good point. This point right here. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, at this very point, you notice that it went down. Okay, notice that it went down. Then right here there was a spike, right? And this blue line crosses the red line and there was a spike. And when trading, for you to see the indicators very well, you zoom to the last zoom level, right? So that you can see when the trend, so that you can see how the trend is going, right? You can see how the trend is going. Okay, you can see now when this red line right here, when it goes up, if you are on a trade, you immediately close the trade and wait after it has gone down. That's the safest way to trade on crash, right? When it's going down, you can see the curve of the line is down right now. It's going down and it's also giving a signal that it's going up, right? You can see this black line right here is going up. Okay, it's going up, and this one right here, you can see at any point from now this trade will spike. Okay, this trade will spike. Take a look at this. Okay, you can see at any point from now this trade will spike. Now please note that this blue line have to go down and this red line has to go up, okay, before it's going to spike, right? Before it's going to spike. Now take a look at this. You can see right here when it curves down, right here at this very point, you can see this very point there was a spike. You can see the crossover. You can see there was a spike. So this is how to trade crash and spike, and this is how to trade and make profit, guys. This is how to trade and make profit. You can see right here at this downtrend, right? You can see there was a curve again. It curved and went down. There was no spike. You can see there was no spike. You can see then right here when it's about to go up, there was a spike, and you see this black line. This black line moves up. When this black line moves up above these smaller lines, or may I say these smaller candles right here, notice that it's about to spike. Now you see this one right here too, there was a spike. You see this one, there was a spike. Now when any of these line, either red, either green or black, when they move above their levels, know that it's about to spike. Okay, as you can see, you can see this one right here too, there was a spike. Look at it, guys, look at it, there was a spike, right? Look at it, the candles, look at here, right? There was a spike. Okay, there was a spike. Look at it, this green, look at the green, guys. Please mark the green. Okay, you see, you can see there was a spike, right? There was a spike. Look at it, look at it. So when any of this green line crosses above each levels, know that it's gonna spike, right? It's gonna spike. So this is how you can trade crash. This is how you can trade crash 1000 index, right? This is how you can trade crash 1000 index with this strategy, the average directional movement and the relative strength index at this very point. So you can see, guys, so after you have take profits, you wait after 2 candles. Okay, you wait after 2 candles, then you buy. Now this is why I said you wait after 2 candles. Let me show you real quick. Guys. So you see, at this very point, when it spike at this very point, you can see at this second point it spikes again, right? The market crashed at this very point. Look at it. Look at the candles, guys. 2 candles. Now the reason is that after each spike, you might see a green candle, but you see this green candle might change anytime, right? Let's say, for example, now let's say it's after the spike, it started with a green candle, but before this green candle will be completely created, it might spike or change its color to red. Okay, I don't know if you have noticed that when you are trading, right? When you are trading boom and crash, but if you trade volatility index, you see that when this green candle is going up, it will change to red and it will go down again. So that is how it is on crash and boom, guys. You see, each of these green candles, the red candle inside is invisible. You won't see it, guys. And when it's about to spike or crash, it will go down immediately without giving you any signals at all. It will go down immediately. Okay, so that's why, for you to know that, you need to know to take a look at these black candles when trading. You need to look at these black candles, right? When it's going up little by little above this level. Okay, above this level, guys. You see, above this level. Okay, so you can see, let's look for another one. Okay, this one, right? This one, this red line right here, you can see it was a green candle. It was a green line this time. It was a green line, right? You can see, and you can see the rest line right here. You can see they didn't move, guys. Take a look at this. Okay, let's zoom to the end trend. So you can see when any of these candles crosses above their levels, crosses above each of these lines, it's gonna spike. You see, it's above the rest lines. You see, it's above the rest lines. It spiked. It spiked, guys. Yes, at this very point I told you guys, you can see it spike. Look at it, and this blue line crosses the red line. Take a look at it, guys. Take a look at it. It crosses. Take a look at it. It crosses, and the red line crosses the blue line. It spiked at this very point. Guys, take a look at it. At this very point, look at the look at the black line. Now you place a buy, right? The red line goes down, right? But also look at this candle. When it's above the rest candles, when it's above, it's gonna spike, right? When it's above, it's gonna spike. Okay, but now this one is not gonna spike, right? Because the line has ended. Okay, what you need to do is to study this strategy, guys. And remember, when this blue line crosses this red line, once this red line is going up, is about to spike. Okay, when it curves up, it's about to spike. And when the blue line crosses down over the red line, is gonna spike. And when this black candle, this black line goes up above its level, it's gonna spike. Okay, it's gonna spike. Please take note of that. And for it to spike again, this blue line has to cross over this red line, and it has to go down again for it to spike. Okay, it has to go up then come down, and this one has to go up, crosses the line, then it's gonna spike. Okay, it's gonna spike. Okay, now you see right here it's not gonna spike because this line, blue line, has to cross the red line. Okay, so guys, I believe this strategy is a good strategy when trading crash 1000 index. So if you find value in this video and you enjoyed watching this video, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome forex content. I'll see you guys in the next video.